This video will demonstrate how to switch your T4 trimmer from using the leaf collector to using the trim saver. You'll need 2 1/2-inch wrenches for this process, or as you'll see in this video, we like to use power tools and socket sets when it makes things easier. Let's get started by setting the leaf collector on a work table for easy access, and we'll move the bag arms out of our way. We're going to remove this power box, so we might as well uncoil the cable and get that out of the way too. We're using a wrench on the top and a power driver with a socket on the bottom to get the bolts loosened. Then we like to use our fingers to finish because we're less likely to drop or lose the nuts and washers. Now we can focus on removing the impeller and motor assembly. We're using a 1/2-inch socket on a power driver to remove all 4 nuts. We're ready to lift all this out of the stand, but before we do, we need to pull the electrical cable out through this hole. Then we feed the other electric cable into the slot. Now we hold the cable together with the impeller housing. So when we do lift, nothing gets caught. Next, we're going to remove the bag arms, again, starting with the tools and then finishing up with our fingers. Set the stand on the ground. Grab your T4 and set it into its position on the stand. Next up, we're going to attach the hose to the hose collars. Lubricate one of the collar threads with some diluted dish soap. And I know what this looks like, but it does make it easier to hold the hose between your legs while you thread the collar on. And we're going to do this on both ends of the hose. Bring one end of the hose up from underneath and through the hole in the stand, where it can be attached to the T4 output. Attach the other end to the input on your trim saver, and we're ready to go.